What's the meaning of amazed? Amazed. 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 Amazed.
The term amazed refers to experiencing a sense of wonder, surprise, or astonishment. It is a feeling that arises when something unexpected or extraordinary occurs. This can manifest as a sudden gasp, wide eyes, or even an adrenaline rush. The sensation of feeling amazed can be caused by witnessing an incredible feat, encountering an unexpected situation, or receiving news that is beyond one's expectations. The result of being amazed is often a feeling of joy, inspiration, and a renewed appreciation for the world around us.